still some things from the old strip district where it used to be warehouses. Defunct car company. Argo was supposed to make robotic cars. They lost their funding from Ford and Volkswagen. Yeah, you could be in a little neighborhood, and then you're around a corner, lo and behold, there's downtown. Wow. Check out that old factory. The cork factory. Luxury lofts. Yeah, the strip district is one of my favorite places to run. A combination of the old industry and the rebirth of Pittsburgh. What's up, puppy dog? This is something also that's kind of cool about Pittsburgh. Film and video. Look at all these trailers. All for a movie or TV show. Pittsburgh's growing. You know, not just with robotics, but entertainment. So I love the 90s. I haven't seen rollerblades in 25 years. So now we start one of my favorite parts of the run. Along the river. Today, the Allegheny. How you doing? All right, now we're downtown. By the Rachel Carson Bridge, 9th Street. We're going to North Shore, across that one. If you're running in Pittsburgh, you have to go across the bridge. And we usually don't do that one. But it's kind of cool. All right, now we're on the North Shore. And we're going to run past PNC Park. This is something you don't see every day. People don't think realize it's here. The Korean War Memorial. This is kind of cool. The baseballs represent Hall of Famers. From Pittsburgh. Regardless if they played in the National League, the American League, or the Negro League, they're all all-stars. The only person to win a World Series with a home run. 1960 against the Yankees. In fact, on that day, every fall, a group of people go to the old location of Forbes Field in Oakland and listen to the ball game. It's pretty cool. All right, so finished our run. Now it's time for coffee. Never been to this place. Let me see the name. Oh, there it is. James Cafe.